Understanding Rust Inhibitor, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, rust inhibitor. This term is commonly used in chemistry and everyday life, especially when talking about protecting metals. We'll break down what it means and how it's used, making it easy for you to understand and use this phrase in your conversations. Before diving into what a rust inhibitor is, let's understand what rust is. Rust is a red or orange coating that forms on the surface of iron and its alloys, like steel, when they are exposed to oxygen and moisture. It's a type of corrosion that can weaken metal and cause damage over time. The word inhibitor refers to something that slows down or prevents a particular process. In various fields, including chemistry and medicine, inhibitors play crucial roles. So, when we talk about a rust inhibitor, we are referring to something that prevents or slows down the process of rusting. Now, let's combine these concepts. A rust inhibitor is a substance or method used to prevent or delay the formation of rust. These inhibitors work by either creating a protective coating over the metal or by chemically reacting with the metal to prevent oxidation, which is the process that causes rust. Rust inhibitors are widely used in various industries and everyday life. They are found in automotive products to protect cars from rust, industrial machinery to extend the life of equipment, household items like paints and sprays for metal furniture and tools. Understanding this term can be particularly helpful for those studying chemistry, engineering, or even doing DIY projects at home. I hope this video has helped clarify what a rust inhibitor is and why it's important. Remember, it's not just a chemical term. It's a practical concept that you might encounter in everyday life. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos where we decode interesting English phrases and words.